Welcome in the last section of our course. In this section we'll be looking at the topic of personalization and recommendations. We will be building such engine. So we'll be using movies history to suggest interesting content. So we'll try to build a reco engine for movies. So we'll be looking at the movie data source that will be used to train model. We'll be building collaborative filtering in Apache Spark and using altering least square algorithm. So we are given movie lens database that has a database of ratings of movies. So every record has rating for movie from user ID and timestamp. So this will be our input for training model. So firstly we need to load it from that movie lens rating, and we are loading it as a text file in Spark. Next we are parsing it, so we are splitting using that two semicolons, and we are asserting that field size is proper for size, and we are creating new rating case class that has user ID, movie ID, rating, and timestamp. Once we will do it, we are able to create model. So we'll have our ratings here, and we are splitting it randomly to 80 and 20%. So we'll have a training and test set. Next, we are building the recommendation model using ALS on the training data. So we are creating new ALS that is kind of the collaborative filtering. We are setting max number of iteration and rec parameter. We are setting that user column should be user ID. So this is a column used to find out which user like movie and which should be recommended to other one. Next, we need to set item column. So we are recommending movies. So item column will be movie ID. And finally, we need to have rating column. Rating column that tells us where the actual rating for that movie was. Next, we are training our model using training set and testing. We get prediction, and we are using regression evaluator that will calculate if we build our model properly.